So our family liaison officer was our main contact with the police. So any updates would come through Darren. Darren was there with us in court to support us. So he just talked us through the process on what to expect. And then when it got referred to Crown Court, Darren was also there and again just explained what to expect. And he was just a calming presence, and I don't think that we could have got through it without Darren being there.
We had a family liaison officer assigned to us. He was there a lot in the beginning. He'd take us back and forth the hospital in Cardiff because none of us were able to drive. We were just in so much shock, but we wanted to see Ryan as well, and that meant a lot to us. And then as the months passed and we were finally told that there was going to be a court case, I felt that the liaison officer's role really sort of stepped up then. He took an interest in Ryan, was a real person. He was interested in his life. He looked at photos with us. We shared happy memories of Ryan with him. And it meant a lot to me. I'd lost Ryan and I loved talking about him. And Darren then wanted to know about him. He wanted to know his life. And he wanted to know his achievements. And he was there, and we just built up a real good rapport. And then, except at the court case, he was just like a pillar of strength to us. He helped us in ways that are just people can't imagine, because it's the worst thing a parent can go through, to lose your child, and to have somebody there who was so strong and knew everything was just a massive help to us.